Welcome fellas, in front of you is another new product from Parkside, this hot stapler plastic repair gun. I'm pretty sure you've seen lots of similar guns on the internet, their videos are quite popular on TikTok and on Instagram. Well, Parkside finally decided to make its own model. This one here is manufactured by Compernas. Unfortunately, I've managed to get my hands only on the gun, but according to the text over here, this should be inside of a kit, most likely inside of a briefcase, with a lot of staples and probably a cutting pliers. The product is rated 50 watts. Interesting to mention is the duty cycle S3 20%, meaning that after 12 seconds of continuous work time, the gun should be left to cool down for 48 seconds. The gun is working with 0.8mm staples. There are a variety of them available on the market. The machine is equipped with two colored LED indicator. Red, the gun is hitting the staple, and green, the correct welding temperature has been reached. Inside, the machine is pretty simple, a transformer and a rectifier with a timer, if I'm not wrong. I don't see any protective electronics, which explains the S3 duty cycle. Here I have this 4mm thick hobby glass. Let's test the gun on it. After 13 staples, it's really damn hard to separate the two parts. Of course, after the welding process, we are left with the protruding pins of the staples. One way to get rid of them is to cut them with cutting pliers. The other is to shake them left-right until they snap. In the end, what can I say? Like many other tools from Parkside, it's performing the job it's intended for. Nothing fancy, and I'm pretty sure the price will be relatively low. That's it guys, thank you and see you next time.